Okay, so what I have for you guys today is a Denix unboxing. So this is the box. Usually they have these like red boxes, but I guess they upgraded to these yellow ones. Pretty solid box. There's no hole in it, no dent, like how you usually see them come. Alright, so let's just unbox it. So this is all you get. All you get is the Colt or whatever gun you're gonna buy. I mean, it's a pretty nice gun. It looks exactly like the real one, I'll tell you that. This is the manual they give you, or catalog. I think this is the one we got right here, or the longer version of that. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's high quality. It's about, I want to say it's like 2 pounds. It's pretty good in my opinion. So what you can also buy, it doesn't come with it, but you can get these dummy rounds. Load some up for you. So it is only single action. You pull it back. You have to pull the trigger every time. Or I mean, sorry, you have to pull the hammer back every time you want to pull the trigger. It's not a double action. But, I mean, that's pretty much it. It does have the ejector rod, so you can't play with it like in the movies. So these are the dummy rounds. See those? And you can also buy these right here. So what these are actually cap dummy rounds, which fire caps. I'll show you the caps in a second. So these are the caps right here. Take one off. Sorry. Take one off. Put it on the back of this. There's this like thing on there. You load it right onto it. Just like that. And then you just load it up the same way. You want to be careful the cap isn't sticking out, so when you rotate the cylinder it doesn't get caught. I had that happen to me the first time I played with this. So I'm just gonna fire this right here. You can see it in there. There's a cap. So this is what it looks like. Smokes. I'll do another one for you. It's pretty cool. I haven't had any problems with it yet. That seems like a problem right there. Got one more. So you can kind of see, I mean, it's cool. Something to play around with at home. I usually don't dry fire it. I just don't want to break it. But you can also use these. I bought these from that site. I have an unboxing video on my channel if you want to see that. An unboxing from Historic Replica Guns. I got these from them. But I mean, that's it. Like, something cool to hold, play around with. This is real wood. It's really heavy. It's good quality. I mean, there's obviously no iron sights on it because it's not a real firearm. But I'm pretty sure that's how the iron sights looked back then. You just point and shoot, basically. But I like this thing. It's pretty cool. But if you enjoyed the video or found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any comments, comment it, and I'll get back to you. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Peace out.